In this tutorial, we're going to review how to set up bundled products in restaurant settings where there's a need for users and our customers to select not just modifiers, but also make a selection that populates a unique set of modifiers for another selection. To get started, we're going to enable a setting and create a unique group of modifiers for the bundled selections. The first step we want to take is to enable product types, which will allow you to categorize a product as a bundle of other products. So we're going to go ahead and hover over the menu on the left-hand side and select Settings. And then we're going to select General Settings. And now you want to scroll down towards the bottom of the page to the Add-on section. And once you get there, you want to look for Enable Product Types. And once you find that, select Enabled from the drop-down menu underneath it, and then scroll down and press Save. Next, we're going to create a group that will be invisible on the POS, but one that will allow you to sort all those bundled selections into. So let's hover back over this menu and select Items, and then select View Categories at the top of the page. And then you're going to press New Category. And you can call this whatever you want, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to call it Bundled Selections. And you want to make the status invisible so that the person using the POS, never sees this category. So let's paste that there. And let's press Save Changes. So for this video, we're going to create a breakfast combo that's going to allow the user to choose how the eggs are cooked, what type of meat to add to the plate, as well as what side. And what's going to be different about this combo is that once a user selects a side, that side will populate a unique set of modifiers from the other side option. And the best way to create the perfect combo or bundled product is to start with the modifier groups. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be creating 4 different modifier groups. The first is going to be egg style, the second is going to be the meat options, and the third and fourth are going to be the modifier groups that are going to be applied to the side options. So there are going to be 2 side options in this tutorial. The user will be able to select toast or pancakes, and once they select toast, they're going to have a set of modifiers based off of what type of bread. And once they select pancakes, they're going to have a set of modifiers that allow them to select the flavor of the pancake. So the first thing we're going to do is create that modifier group for the egg style. And if you're unsure about how to get to this modifier groups page, you can always hover over Items, and it'll take you to the product page. And then you're going to press Modifier Groups in the upper right-hand corner, and it'll bring you back to this page. So to create that first modifier group, you're going to press Add New Item in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to call this Egg Style. You're going to enter 1 under minimum modifiers since the customer is required to tell you how they want their eggs cooked. And then you're going to enter 1 under max since there's only one way that they can have their eggs cooked. So let's call this boiled, poached, and scrambled. And then you're going to go ahead and press Save Changes at the bottom, and now you have your egg style modifier group set up. So you're going to go ahead and do this for the other 3. So that was the meat options, pancake flavors, and toast options. Now that we've created those groups, let's go ahead and create the products that will serve as the bundled selections under that bundled product. So in this case, the bundled product is the breakfast combo. Let's hover over Items on the left-hand side. I'm going to change this to Table View. And let's press New Item in the upper right-hand corner. Let's add the first one. I'm going to keep this simple and call this Egg Style. You don't have to select anything under product type. It will default to a simple product. Category, we're going to put this under bundled selections. And since the bundled selections category is invisible, it means that the customer won't be able to see this egg style as an option to add to the customer's order. And we're going to leave this at 0, this price at 0, since the customer won't be charged extra to have their eggs cooked a certain way. And since we kept it simple, we're going to select egg style under modifier group. We're going to press Save. So let's do the same thing for meat options. So meat option, leave that all the same. They don't get charged extra for to choose their meat. Scroll down. We're going to change that modifier group to meat option, and then we're going to press Save. So the next product we're going to create is pancake. because the customer will be able to choose one of two sides. So it's either going to be pancakes or it's going to be toast. And we're going to leave this all the same since they don't get charged extra. Let's scroll down and we're going to apply the pancake flavor. So once the user selects pancake as the side, the pancake flavors will then populate. Let's press save. And the last one, let's call this toast. And same idea, scroll down, toast options. So when the user selects toast, the different toast options will appear on the screen. And press save. Now that we've set up all those pieces for the bundle, we're going to go ahead and create the bundled product that will appear in the POS. So let's press new item in the upper right hand corner. And we're going to call this breakfast combo. And for product type, this time we're going to select bundle. And for bundle pricing, you can leave that blank or you can select fixed, it'll default to it. And we're going to categorize this under breakfast since this will be a product that the user will be able to see on the POS. I'm going to leave this at city sales tax. Leave that at, we're going to change this to 10. So let's say the breakfast combo costs $10. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to press save. Once you save that product, we're going to go ahead and press the edit icon to the right of it. And we're going to scroll down. And here you can see that a new section appears called Manage Bundle Selection. We're going to go ahead and press Add New. And so let's call this Egg Style, since this is the selection that the user will make to choose how the customer wants their eggs cooked. We're going to call this Product, and Egg Style is a product that we're going to assign to this one. A minimum of 1, a maximum of 1, since they can only choose 1 and they have to choose 1. Same idea with meat option. Item type product. Meat option 1, since they have to choose 1. And the last one is going to be side option. And this is the part where we're going to add the two different sides. So pancake is the first option, toast is the second. And since they can only select one, so they can't select pancake and toast, they have to select pancake or toast, we're going to add minimum 1, max 1. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to press save. And that is how you create that bundled product.